Hello, fourth grade. This is Digestion Part 2, our Life Science Week 8. So the previous video we talked about the stomach and the small intestine, and this video we're going to talk about the large intestine. My large intestine gets the waste from my small intestine. The waste stays in the large intestine for 10 to 12 hours. So remember we talked about the stomach has it for 2 to 4 hours. Then it goes into the much longer small intestine, and then it comes into the large. The waste is pushed through my 5 feet of large intestine by the muscle wall. Some of the water from the waste is taken out. Then the solid waste is pushed out of my body through the rectum. So again, moving through the muscles in the large intestine. Now, most of what goes in the large intestine is waste. It's what your body can't use. Your large intestine is about 5 feet long, and it takes out water. Then solid waste is removed through your body through the rectum. Large intestine, it takes about 24 hours for my food to travel from my mouth to my rectum. So from coming in to going out, it takes about 24 hours. For the large intestine, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to need this page, which is the large intestine page. You need a dark orange crayon, marker, or colored pencil. I shared with you that I colored mine orange and then went over it in brown and black to make it darker. Natalie also shared that maybe you pressed a little bit harder with your orange to make it darker and just colored very, very lightly with your orange for the small intestines, which are a light orange. That is also an idea. So you need to color your large intestine a dark orange. Again, mine is an orange covered up by a black and a brown. Then you're going to cut your large intestine out. Now, the large intestine fits over the small intestine and joins at the hole that says attached to small intestine here. And that's right above your appendix. Be careful when you cut it out. The appendix is that little piece that's hanging on the very end, or actually this should be the very beginning of the large intestine. So the small intestine attaches to that hole right above your appendix. And then your placement on the body, again, there's your bone and your muscle on the legs. And then you have the small intestine, the large intestine, and the stomach. Remember, you may not want to glue this down firmly because we've got to get the kidney and the liver also situated in there. Remember, your stomach and your small intestine are on brads that are poked through, so they are going to have a little bit of movement to them so you can see your kidneys behind them. The liver, the kidneys, and the bladder is what we're going to talk about next time. So stay tuned for Digestion Part 3, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.